Good morning, everyone. Today, May 27, we are going to cover some question as review, as we mentioned before. So today, the first question is, he is looking for what? The limit of the function when x approach 4. So when x approach 4, in your table, the table we have, x approach 4, x approach 4 from left and right. So what the value of the function approach? Yes, both approach what? Yes, -3. Good job. Because from left and right now approach -3, so the limit of the function equal -3. The next question we have, find the limit of absolute value of 3x plus 1 when x approach -1. So what are we going to do? Is just plug in. You can use a table, you can use graph, or just a plug in. So if you plug in -1, so 3 times -1 plus 1. So it's a -2 plus 1, so it's a -1. Sorry, -3 plus 1 is -2. So your function approach what? 2. So it means your function from left and right when x approach -1, the function will be what? Yes, 2. Okay. Next, the question is also find by using table, graph. It's up to you, but the easiest way is just plug in. If you plug in, so it means x plus 3, so it's 2 plus 3 over 2 minus 1, 5 over 1 equals 5. So your function, your limit of f of x when x approach 2 is equal what? Yes, 5. So limit of f of x now when x approach 2 is equal 5. We just use the what plug-in form. Next question is trigonometry, and what he asked for to determine the remaining sides and angles of the triangle. So what he gave you some data. So I am going to use some easy numbers like to make your question easy because I'm not going to use a calculator. I'm just going to use our mind. Sorry. So let's try if we have this number. So how we solve the question. So the first we can determine measure angle C. If you remember, yes, 180. So we are going to use what the rule 180. I'm going to erase this part. So measure angle C equals 180 minus the sum of this angle. The sum of 18 and 28 is what? Yes, 46. Now the measure of this angle is 134. Now we have the measure of the angle. How we find the sides? Yes, you can use sine rule. So we have sine, we can see A over sine 28 equal B over sine 18 equals C 6 over sine 134. And just use cross multiply to find A, B, and C. So you can find A by what? Multiplying 6 times sine 28 over sine 134. You can find B by 6 times sine 18 over sine 134 by using calculator and evaluate it. One more question about trigonometry. Which of the following set of data determine unique triangle? Unique triangle. Do you know what's a unique triangle? Yes, right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. This is a type of what? Unique triangle. Only he's this one. If you look here, 5, 12, and 13. If you remember this side, this is for right angle triangle. So this is unique triangle. 2, 2, 2, so it's equilateral triangle, unique triangle. This one will be right angle isosceles triangle. If you check the measure of angle B and A, it will be isosceles triangle. The one is different scalene triangle 40, 60, 80. You have different angles, so you have different sides. Okay, so it means it's not unique triangle. Please don't forget to send me your notes. Have a great day and see you next day.